Dear students and parents, welcome to the TestprepKart channel. In this video, we're going to discuss most important chapters for chemistry in JEE Main. So in chemistry, we have organic chemistry, physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry. We're going to take each part separately and discuss all the important chapters in them. Firstly, organic chemistry. The syllabus of organic chemistry according to JEE: purification and characterization of organic compounds, basic principle of organic chemistry, hydrocarbons, organic compounds containing halogen, organic compounds containing oxygen, organic compound containing nitrogen, polymers, biomolecules, chemistry in everyday life, principle related to practical chemistry. So some basic principle of organic chemistry: hydrocarbons, organic compounds containing oxygen. These three are important chapters in organic chemistry. We're going to discuss these three chapters and other important chapters and topics in organic chemistry. Some basic principle of organic chemistry. In this, we have stability of carbocation and free radicals, electrophiles and nucleophiles, electronic displacement and covalent bond, inductive effect, electromagnetic effect, resonance, hyperconjugation, some common type of organic reaction, substitution, addition, elimination, and rearrangement. Next, in hydrocarbons, method of preparation and all the reactions in it. In alkanes, conformations. In alkenes, geometrical isomerism. Alkynes, acidic character. Aromatic hydrocarbons, aromaticity. Organic compounds containing oxygen, method of preparation and reactions. In alcohol, identification of primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. Phenol, acidic nature, ether, structures. Aldehyde and ketones, relative reactivities, chemical test to distinguish between aldehyde and ketone. In carboxylic acid, acidic strength and factors affecting it. Compounds containing halogen, method of preparation and reactions, nature of CX bond, uses, environmental effect of chloroform, iodoform, freons, and ADT. Compounds containing nitrogen, method of preparation and reactions, in amines, nomenclature, classification, structure, basic character, identification in diazonium salt, importance in synthetic organic chemistry. Chapters like polymer, biomolecule chemistry in everyday life, classification, structure, method of preparation, and reaction are important. Before moving on, for NRI student, we have NRI's ebook related to DASA and CIWG quota. Please download that from the link below. Next, in physical chemistry, the syllabus of physical chemistry includes some basic concepts in chemistry: states of matter, atomic structure, chemical bonding and molecular structure, chemical thermodynamics, solutions, equilibrium, redox reaction and electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry. So firstly, in some basic concepts in chemistry. For the laws, atomic and molecular masses, mole concept, molar mass, percentage composition, empirical and molecular formula, chemical equation, and stoichiometry. States of matter in gaseous state, on the gas laws, concept of absolute scale of temperature, ideal gas equation, kinetic theory of gases, concept of average, root mean square, and most probable velocities, real gases, deviation from ideal behavior, compressibility factor, and van der Waals equation. In liquid state, we have vapor pressure, viscosity, surface tension, and effect of temperature on them. In solid state, unit cell and lattice, packaging in solid, void calculation including unit cell parameters, and imperfections in solids. In atomic structure, we have atomic models, photoelectric effect, Bohr model of a hydrogen atom, relation for the energy of the energy and radii, dual nature of matter, de Broglie's equation, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, elementary idea of quantum mechanics, various quantum numbers, and their significance, shape of sp and d orbital, electron spin and spin quantum number, rules for filling electrons in orbitals, electronic configuration of elements. Chemical bonding is an important chapter in physical chemistry. In this, we have formation of ionic bond, factors affecting the formation of ionic bond, calculation of lattice enthalpy, covalent bonding, concept of electronegativity, Pajan's rule, dipole moment, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, shapes of simple molecule, valence bond theory, its important features, the concept of hybridization involving sp and d orbital, resonance, molecular orbital theory, its important features, LCOs, type of molecular orbital, sigma and pi bonds, molecular orbital, electronic configurations of homonuclear diatomic molecules, the concept of bond order, bond length, bond energy, elementary idea of metallic bonding, hydrogen bonding, and in chemical thermodynamics, the first law of thermodynamics, concept of work, heat internal energy, enthalpy, heat capacity, molar heat capacity, Hess law of constant heat summation, enthalpies of bond association, combustion, formation, atomization, sublimation, phase transition, hydration, ionization, and solution. The second law of thermodynamics, spontaneity of process, delta S of the universe and delta G of the system as criteria of spontaneity. Delta G naught, standard Gibbs energy change, and equilibrium constant. Next in solution we have topics molarity, mole fraction, percentage by volume and mass both, vapor pressure of solution, Rawls law, ideal and non-ideal solutions, vapor pressure, composition, plots for ideal and non-ideal solution, colligative properties of dilute solution, a relative lowering of vapor pressure, depression of freezing point, the elevation of boiling point, osmotic pressure, determination of molecular mass using colligative properties, abnormal value of molar mass, Monson factor and its significance. In equilibrium, Henry's law of chemical equilibrium, equilibrium constants Kp, Kc, and their significance, the significance of delta G and delta G naught in chemical equilibrium, factors affecting equilibrium, Le Chatelier's principle, ionic equilibrium, weak and strong electrolyte, ionization of electrolytes, various concept of acid and bases, RNAs, Constant, Lowry, and Lewis, and their ionization, acid-base equilibrium, ionization constant, ionization of water, pH scale, common ion effect, hydrolysis of salt and pH of their solution, the solubility of sparingly soluble salts and solubility product of a solution. So in physical chemistry, ionic equilibrium, chemical thermodynamics, chemical bonding, these are most important chapters in physical chemistry. Next we have inorganic chemistry. The syllabus of inorganic chemistry includes classification of elements and periodic properties, General principle and process of isolation of metal, hydrogen, S block elements, P block elements, D and F block elements, coordination compound, environmental chemistry. So in inorganic chemistry, periodic table, metallurgy, and coordination compound are most important chapters. In classification of elements in periodicity and properties, we have periodic trend in properties of elements, atomic and ionic radii, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, valence, oxidation state, chemical reactivity. In general principle and process of isolation matter, modes of occurrence of elements in nature, minerals, ore, steps involved in extraction of metal, concentration, reduction, chemical and electrolytic methods, and refining with special reference to the extraction of air, aluminum, Cu, Zn, and Fe, thermodynamics and electrochemical principle involved in the extraction of metal. In hydrogen, we have classification, preparation, properties, structure, and reaction and uses. S block elements, general introduction, electronic configuration, and general trends in physical and chemical properties of elements. Anomalous properties of the first element of each group, diagonal relationship, preparation and properties of some important compounds, biological significance of sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. In P block elements, general introduction, electronic configuration, and general trends in physical and chemical properties, unique behavior of the first element of each group, group-wise study of P block elements, group 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, and 18. In D and F block, transition elements, general introduction, electronic configuration, occurrence and characterization, general trends and properties of the first row transition, physical properties, complex formation, interstitial compounds, alloy formation, preparation, properties and uses of K2Cr27 and KMnO4, inner transition elements, lanthanoids, electronic configuration, oxidation state, lanthanoid contraction, and actinoids, electronic configuration, and oxidation state. Coordination chemistry. Importance of two coordination compound. Werner's theory, ligand coordination number, denticity, chelation, IUPAC nomenclature, and mononuclear coordination compound, isomerism, bonding valence bond approach, basic idea of crystal field theory, color, magnetic properties, importance of coordination compound. In environmental chemistry, environmental pollution, atmospheric, water and soil, harmful effects and prevention, formation and breakdown of ozone, depletion of the ozone layer, its mechanism and effect, chemical pollution, their harmful effects and prevention, pesticides, their harmful effects and prevention, and strategies to control environmental pollution. These are all the important chapters of all the parts in chemistry. If you have any further doubt, do comment below or connect with us through the link in the description. Do subscribe to our channel to keep yourself posted with new topics.